Hey there YouTube, Brenda Petrella here, and welcome to my photography tutorial channel. I am a self-taught landscape and nature photographer. I'm actually formally trained as a molecular biologist, and I recently left careers as a cancer researcher and as a biosafety professional to pursue photography more full-time and to spend less time at my computer and more time out in the great outdoors. Join me as I adventure around my home state of Vermont and share with you practical tips and techniques to help you improve your landscape and nature photography. I enjoy breaking down difficult concepts into simple explanations, and I try to provide a lighthearted and supportive learning environment. So a little bit about me. I have two wonderful dogs, a golden retriever named Atticus and a black lab named Kayak, and sometimes they join me on my photog adventures. I also, oddly enough, have two pet cows. Actually, one cow and one steer named Miss Bovine and Ferdinand, and you may meet them in some of my videos as well. How they came into our lives is actually a funny story, and I hope to write a book about it someday. When I'm not doing photography or traveling or taking care of all the fuzzy animals, I enjoy hiking, biking, canoeing, camping, gardening, pretty much anything that gets me outside, working with my hands or my body. So I hope you enjoy my videos and they help you advance your photography skills. If you would like to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.